Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix FiveM error failed to call initiate for streaming file. So this is really a simple fix. First things first, you want to close FiveM completely. From there, we then want to simply head over into our folder, and then you want to head over to the local app data. So you can just head over to this specific location right here, which is going to be the local app data, FiveM, the FiveM app, data, and cache. You just want to delete all contents of this folder. So in my case, I don't have this cache folder on my FiveM right now, so I won't be able to access it, but you can just copy this specific location, paste it on your folder location right here, and basically from there you will be able to access your FiveM cache data. Once again, I don't have my FiveM files because I've already deleted it, but in your case you just want to head over to this specific file location, paste it on the path right here, delete everything inside, and then you can restart FiveM and try connecting to the server again. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.